I have something special. So I put together a must-have manicure pedicure kit of my favorite files. So we got them custom made. They are very similar to the blue wood boards that you have seen me use, but this one is 180 and 240 grit. They are beautifully cut and they're nice and thin, so they're great for shortening and shaping the nails. I also have the sponge in a kit, and this one is 280 grit, so it's great for smoothing the ends of your nails and detailing the cuticle area if you are polishing the nails. Also, I have included a couple tools from Stalex. First is my favorite pusher, so the quality of this one is excellent, and what's very important, the sharpness is just right, so you will be able to safely nudge back the skin fold and then remove the softened cuticle with the other end without scraping your nails, so it's very safe to use. And last not least, the pedicure tool for cleaning out the sidewalls. You have seen me use this when I do my pedicures, and I have also added nail nippers because many of you commented that it should be included in a kit. So this is really a 2-in-1 tool, so it's strong enough for cutting the nails and precise enough for nipping little hangnails or torn skin. And all these tools are now packed in a nice cotton pouch, so you can keep everything safely in one place. And I will also include my handmade nail and skin salve, the one that you have seen me talk about, and I'm going to include it as a gift for you. I hope you'll love this idea and that you will enjoy the kit. If you have any questions, please let me know.